Hi guys, one boy from Taraji Eco Farm. Today we are back again with another video. Can you guess what we'll be doing today? Yeah, so thank you all for watching our previous videos and for the support you're giving this channel. Today we are doing something different. Well, not totally different, but we are going to harvest some potatoes that have been growing in sacks and buckets. I just want to compare between the harvest that we got from the raised bed. How much can we get from a sack or a bucket? So this for you guys who probably have smaller spaces. You can do this in your backyard. You can grow your plants in sacks. You can grow them in buckets. You can grow them in plastic containers. Yeah, so I hope this is motivation for you to start your food growing journey. These are potatoes in this bucket, and I think we also have sweet potatoes, so we'll have a mix of both. Here we have potatoes in this sack. These are sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Let's see how much we'll get from these buckets and sack. Then this is our sack where we have potatoes from up and also from the sides, and also some potatoes and sweet potatoes in this bucket. So much growth on the potatoes and also just a bit of growth on the sweet potatoes. However, you can see the potato plants are growing quite big, trying to get some sunlight. On this area of the farm, we have our neighbors have some trees, and so this area does not receive as much sunlight. That's why the crops are growing quite tall. And currently we are depending on rainwater. We do not have extra water to water the plants, and we haven't received rain in the last few days. Actually, you can see the crops are struggling a bit, but hopefully the weather forecast says there should be rain for the next 10 days. So hopefully the crops will recover well. And yeah, hoping for a very bountiful harvest. So it's been about 85 days or so since we planted these potatoes, and you can see the plant has totally died, and we have this one right here in the bucket. I think I shouldn't have mixed the potatoes and the sweet potatoes. I'm not sure the sweet potatoes are ready, but we'll harvest anyway and just see what we get. So the other buckets we have sweet potatoes. I'll be harvesting this sometime in January. Oh my god. How many potatoes do you think we'll get from here? My bet is like 50.
15.
You want us to put some money? Okay. This is a disaster. So, oh, let's, oh no, I think we'll get 50. Oh wow. I think we'll get 50. So I suspect here we had around 6 or so, about 6 plants. So let's see the number of potatoes that we get at the very end. You can see them. Oh, this is nice variety. This sweet potatoes, I'm sure probably it has nothing or very small. These are sweet potato actually. Oh, another sweet potato. So that means in January we'll get more sweet potatoes.
Yeah, from this other bucket.
Yeah. That's it. These are what? Sweet potato
Good.
roots. I can plant back sweet potatoes because this thing, the manure is still fresh. So one of the things I've learned this season is that potatoes and sweet potatoes need a lot of sun, and that probably explains why we got such a small harvest, because this area of the farm is really shaded. So ideally in the next season we'll plant the potatoes and sweet potatoes on the other side of the farm. Yeah. So I'm actually just reusing the vines from the two sweet potatoes that were in this bucket. That's how we plant our sweet potatoes. So I'm just reusing the vines. You can remove the leaves, but I always just leave a few for the sake of it. Nothing scientific about it.